In this video, we are going to develop television class. On src folder, I am going to create right click and select new Java class. I will name this class with the name example1. Inside this class, I will write the main function. Just above the example1 class, I am going to represent real world object with the help of Java class. Inside this class, inside this video, we are going to represent television object inside programming world. For representing any real world object into programming world, we must break down that object into its properties and behavior. Television is having properties like integer channel and integer volume. Once the properties are represented, we are going to write the behavior. Behavior means function. Here, I am going to write one function which is going to change the channel value. This function is going to accept some channel value and updating the state of my channel. Same way, I will write the function for changing the volume. This function, this method, is again going to accept some volume value and changing the object's volume with the new volume. Yes, this is the real world representation of television class inside Java program. Now, class is just a design, and from this design, we are going to create the object. Here, I will create the reference variable of a television class. See, reference variable is a special type of variable which can hold either null value or object. Inside this reference variable, I am going to store the object of television class. Once the television class object is created, I am going to access the properties of television, channel, and system.out.println tv.volume. See, we can access the properties of an object with the help of dot operator. Same way, we can change or we can access the functions with the help of dot operator. TV dot. I will use change channel function. Here I will pass channel value as 34. Same way we can change the volume of a television. Here I will pass volume as 70. Once the data part is changed, we can again access the volume, the value of channel and the value of volume. Let's debug this. See, whenever we create an object, a special memory is allocated inside heap and all the fields of my object will be initialized with default value. Here, the value of channel is 0. Same you can see this on a console. Again, the value of volume is also 0. Now, with the help of change channel method, I am going to change the properties of my television. Now, the value of TV channel is 34 and the value of volume is 70. Same thing you can see on console.